What would really happen if you fell into a black hole? The worst field trip ever. How much do you really know about black holes? They're mysterious. They're terrifying. And somehow, they're everywhere. Now imagine this. You're exploring space, looking for a future home for humanity. And then you see it. A perfectly dark circle in space. No light, no reflection, no warning signs. And you think, that's interesting. So you decide to get closer. Very bad idea. Because this is what would happen if you fell into a black hole. And yes, this is a one-way trip. If you enjoy extreme science and dangerous questions, subscribe to If World. Despite the name, a black hole is not a hole, and it's definitely not empty. A black hole is matter, an enormous amount of it, compressed into an unbelievably small space. The idea came from Einstein's theory of relativity. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it explodes in a supernova. What's left behind is the star's core. If that core is at least, gravity wins. Nothing can stop it. Not pressure, not energy, not even atomic forces. The core collapses into itself and becomes a black hole. Think of the sun. Its gravity is about, if you could stand on the sun, which you can't, you'd instantly weigh 28 times more. Now imagine squeezing into something only. That's smaller than your average city commute. Congratulations, you've made a black hole. Why black holes are invisible. Black holes don't suck everything like cosmic vacuum cleaners. That's a myth. They behave like normal objects, until you get too close. Their gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. That's why they're black. We don't see them directly. We see their effects. Stars orbiting nothing, gas heating up and glowing, massive energy bursts, and something even stranger, Hawking radiation. Stephen Hawking predicted that black holes slowly leak energy, which means black holes can eventually die, very slowly, on timescales longer than the age of the universe. So don't wait around. The event horizon, the point of no return. Every black hole has an event horizon. This is the boundary. Cross it, and escape becomes impossible. Not because you're trapped in space, but because space and time switch roles. Outside the event horizon, you move through space, time moves forward. Inside the event horizon, time pulls you inward. Space offers no direction out. Turning back becomes as impossible as going back in time. From far away, the black hole looks like a warped lens. Stars bend around it, light twists into rings. Beautiful, deadly. As you fall toward a black hole, gravity accelerates you faster and faster. This is where things get uncomfortable. If you fall feet first, your legs feel stronger gravity than your head. Your body stretches. This process is called spaghettification. Yes, that is the official scientific term. You are pulled into a long, thin noodle, not great for survival. Now here's the catch. This depends on the black hole. Stellar black holes. Instant death. Most black holes they're about 10-20 times the mass of the sun, only a few miles across. If you fall into one of these, you're torn apart. You reach the event horizon. Your atoms are stretched, separated, and rearranged. Your trip ends early, very early, so if you're going to fall into a black hole, choose wisely. Supermassive black holes. Strangely gentler. Supermassive black holes are monsters, millions or billions of suns in mass. And here's the weird part. They're safer at the event horizon. The gravity difference between your head and feet is much smaller. You could cross the event horizon without feeling anything unusual. No alarms, no fireworks, just darkness. There's one at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A. Luckily, it's about 165 quadrillion miles away, so relax. Inside the black hole. Once inside, there's no turning back. Everything points inward. Ahead of you lies the singularity, a point of infinite density. Physics breaks down here. Space, time, matter. None of them behave normally. Eventually, you are crushed into the singularity. You don't feel pain. You don't send messages. You become part of the black hole. What others see. From the outside, your story looks very different. Observers see you slow down. You fade. Your light shifts redder and redder. You appear frozen at the event horizon. You never cross it. Time stretches infinitely. Both perspectives are correct. Welcome to relativity. Alternate universes? Stephen Hawking proposed something even stranger. Information is never truly destroyed. That raises a terrifying idea. What if, in one universe, you fall in another? The black hole doesn't exist. From the outside, there's no way to know which reality you're in until you cross the horizon. If the black hole exists, goodbye. If it doesn't, you live. Just not here. No return ticket. Final thought. Black holes are not monsters. They are consequences. They show us what happens when gravity wins completely. And while they might offer answers about time, space, and reality, they are not places humans were ever meant to visit. Curiosity is powerful, but some doors, once opened, never let you come back. If you enjoy exploring the most dangerous ideas in science, subscribe to If World. We ask the questions you were never supposed to test. And trust us, this is one experiment you should only watch.